Hello my friend, I hope that you are well. How to fill a slide with a picture? With a simple way. So let's do this with another picture. We take picture from here. Oops. Let's take picture with let's take for example this picture. Now how to fit this picture in all the slides? The manual way is to make like this, etc., etc. But we can make it very quick and easily. So let's see this. Click in the picture, and after in picture format, go to the crop. Now make the crop or the slide like this. This is the first step, like this. And now what you will do, go to the crop again and click to this arrow and click fill, like this. Do you see? And now put where you want your picture, like this. Here is the simple way to fill the slide with your desired picture, and of course to finish just click to the crop again. And if you want to do it manually, you will see, let's do it again. See, it's very long. New slide, let's take the same picture. Now we try to move it in the other slide, so like this, but I don't want to lose, of course, the quality. It's very important. So let's decrease. Now I can, as you can see, now I am trying to put it from here, and I will continue something like this, and I will see it is not good like this, but I am losing the quality when I make something like this. So I push the button Control left, and as you can see I am trying to put it where I want, but I don't see the slide. So it's very hard to do it with this way. So the simple way is to use just the crop to put where you want the part of the picture that you want in all the slides. See you in the next video, inshallah. And I'd like to continue with this course. Practice, always practice, and take care of us. It's very important. Take care of us. Follow me on Instagram, faisal.checo and teams.winners. Subscribe to my channel. Tell you goodbye. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.